Piston ring fitment. Piston rings must always be fitted with respect to the exhaust mark on the piston. First, place the bottom rail ring with the end gap 30 degrees towards the left of the exhaust mark in the last groove. Place the oil expander ring with butting end downward and end gap facing opposite to the exhaust mark. Now, fit the top oil rail ring on the expander ring with end gap 30 degrees towards right of the exhaust mark. Fit the second piston ring with the top 2 mark facing upward and the end gap facing opposite to the exhaust mark. Finally, fit the first ring with top 1 mark upward and end gap facing towards the exhaust mark. Remember, fitment of second ring upside down may lead to passing of oil above the piston and ultimately lead to a smoky exhaust.